Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best underseat luggage that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Travelpro Crew VersaPack Rolling Underseat Carry-On. If you're part of the crew, or aspire to be, you'll appreciate the thoughtful features in the Travelpro Crew VersaPack. We can tell it was designed with airline staff members in mind because there's a ton of useful organization to help you make the most of a small space. The front pocket has a spot for your phone and a leash for your keys, and the main compartment includes a quilted laptop sleeve. There's also a removable hanging toiletry bag with several compartments to better organize your gear and plenty of space for everything we pack, with an additional 12 inches of width and 4 inches of height remaining to fill with souvenirs or a hoodie. It's easy to make your way through the airport, as the super beefy telescoping handle has a nice grip and moves easily up and down as long as you're holding the button. There are plenty of places to stop along the way, but it clicked consistently into 2 height settings, which should work for most users. Moving on at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Underseat Carry-On. If you're just shopping for 1 or 2 trips, you may want to check out the Amazon Basics Underseat Carry-On. It includes 2 side pockets and a small front pocket with spots for your phone, wallet, and small accessories. There's a nice amount of padding on the wrap holding the carry handles together if you have to pick it up, which you may do to avoid using the wiggly telescoping handle. It's easy to pull out and retracts quite easily, though it's hard to get the handle to lock into the lower adjustment point. There's no laptop sleeve, but we had no issue fitting all the rest of our gear inside, with 12 inches of width and 4.5 inches of height remaining to fill. It's pretty easy to pull the 2 rollerblade style wheels behind you, even over thick carpeting and rough surfaces. However, it's not as maneuverable as some rolling underseater bags. The wiggly handle makes it harder to push for quicker turnarounds. At number 3, we have the Samsonite Spinner Underseater. If you're flying on a more permissible airline, like Delta Airlines in the US, you can squeeze a bigger bag under the seat in front of you. The dimensions we list for Delta are only a guide based on the underseat dimensions of 20 in x 15 in x 11 in 55 centimeters x 38 centimeters x 28 centimeters. On most Delta aircraft, the airline doesn't publish its allowable dimensions, but says that personal items can include briefcases and laptop bags. The Samsonite Spinner Underseater is about the size of a large rolling case, but you can fit so much more than just your laptop and tech pouch inside. We had no issue fitting our packing cube full of clothing inside, and we really like having internal side pockets because they are a perfect fit for our shoes, with the soles facing the bag, not your clothing, of course. At number 2, we have the KROSER multifunction carry-on underseat luggage. A lot of luggage lacks the sheer number of pockets we find on travel backpacks, but if they make you happy, the KROSER carry-on is for you. There are 6 exterior pockets, including 2 side pockets with gussets to hold a water bottle or umbrella, a front pocket with RFID protection for your passport or wallet, and different size pockets for quick access to other gear. There's a separate laptop compartment that includes a sleeve for a tablet and a pocket for your tech pouch. And there's plenty of room for the rest of our gear in the main compartment, though it fills up quickly. When you unzip the cover to the handle, you can see the foam padding on the backside of the bag, but not your gear. The handle itself is a little shaky, but it is super easy to extend, though it sometimes sticks at a potential 3rd height adjustment on the way down. The 2 wheels roll easily over various surfaces, and the bag lacks the bounce we see in some other rolling personal item bags, even as it travels over cords. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hanke 14-inch underseat carry-on luggage. You don't have to blend in with the crowd or risk losing your luggage when choosing one of the fun colorways from Hanke. We don't judge this book by its bright cover. There is plenty more to recommend this underseat bag. To begin with, its square shape fits the personal item dimensions of many budget airlines. Yet it still has a nice capacity for gear. There's no laptop sleeve, so it's best for travelers who will be leaving a device behind. But when you open it like the book in our analogy, sideways instead of from the top, you'll find that there's a zipper panel against the front side to hold your gear in place. It had no issue fitting our shoes, and we slot the toiletry bag in the zipper pocket on that panel, as it has a water-resistant lining. That leaves only our packing cube for the back half, where compression straps hold it in place. Truthfully, we can fit everything on one side or the other, so there's plenty of space to pack for a longer trip. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.